Oh, jeez.
What are those, Tate?
Cookies.
Cookies.
It's a whole bunch of cookies. Oh, look.
Wow.
They're from Tate's Bake Shop. That's why.
More.
See, it says Tate's Bake Shop. T-A-T-E. This is a bakery store called Tate's Bake Shop.
T-A-T-E shop.
It says T-A-T-E. It says Tate's Bake Shop. So the shop must be owned by someone else named Tate. How about that, huh?
Yeah.
These are chocolate chip and chocolate chip walnut. Oh boy.
Derek, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
There you go.
You say thank you, Auntie Pam.
I want to see.
You want to see what? You want to see the video?
Yeah.